In this video, you'll be learning how to create sticker pack Telegram. If you're new to the stream, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on any of our latest updates. And if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And most importantly, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, let's go straight into the video. Before we go straight into the Telegram app, I would like to inform you that you will be creating a sticker pack on Telegram. So you need to have gotten your stickers ready. Okay, you need to have downloaded your stickers in PNG format, and the dimension and the size should be nothing less than 512 by 512. Now, if you want to know how to create the stickers and how to convert them, just let me know in the comment section. I'll send you the video on how to do that. Assuming you have your stickers already created in the proper format, which is dimension and size 512 by 512, and you have converted it into PNG, then we are good to go. So in the Telegram app, you want to open the Telegram app, and in the app you want to use the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines at the top. Click on that, then you go to settings, and there you want to scroll down to chat settings. Then on chat settings, you want to scroll down, you want to navigate to where it says stickers and emoji. You click on stickers and emoji, and you want to navigate to where it says artists are welcome to add their own sticker sets using our stickers at stickers bot. So what you want to do now is to click on at stickers. All right, you can see the options: trending stickers, emoji, quick reaction. What you want to click on is at stickers. You can see the arrow pointing at it, so you click on it. Now this is an interface. I have tried this. All right, I don't come on the channel to put up videos I haven't tried myself. I've tried it several times and it took me some time to figure it out correctly. All right, as you can see, that's why I said if you want to do this without going to any stress, you must have downloaded your stickers. Now what I used here in my case here was Canva. Okay, I used Canva to create just the sticker very quickly, and but the bot will not accept it because the dimension wasn't correct. All right, and the format wasn't in PNG. So now the moment you click on add stickers, it brings you to this interface, and the very first thing you are seeing, what can this bot do? This bot will help you create Telegram stickers packs from pictures. It can also give you some usage stats for your stickers. Command to start are: we have new pack. That's the first thing you want to do. You click on new pack. All right, so when you click on new pack, it brings you, I had already done some things here, so you want to click on new pack. Then when you click on new pack from this option, all right, when you click on that, it brings you to this option, and you find where it says new pack here. Now you can see at the front of new pack it says make a static PNG or WebP, all right, sticker sets. So you want to click on new pack. So when you click on new pack, then the next thing you are seeing will be, all right, look at here, I clicked on new pack, then it says a new sticker set. Now choose a name for your sticker. So you have to choose a name for your sticker. I chose mine was Love Dad, and then it brought me to this interface. The next prompt is the next prompt was, all right, now send me the sticker. Now the image file should be in PNG or WebP. Now should be in PNG or WebP format with a transparent layer. All right, the background should be transparent. Okay, just like you can see the image here I used. The background, the layer should be transparent and must fit into a 5 by 512 by 512 square. One of the side must be at least 5 by 12 and the other side 5 by 12 or less, but I did 5 by 12 for both sides. All right, so we have that as that. So I tried a couple of images. It says please attach image as file. So now what you need to understand here is that I haven't downloaded your sticker So you need to, let's say I'm just uploading a new sticker now. So you click on the paper clip icon there at the bottom corner, the bottom right corner. So after clicking on the file, all right, the image, the sticker you've created and you want to use, you don't send it directly. Or after clicking on it, after marking the image you want to use as sticker, then you need to click on these three dots. Then you have to send it as file. All right, so send it as file. So I done that already, so I just needed to explain to you how I arrived here. So you need to send it as file. So I did some stuff that I didn't send it as file, and it said it's not acceptable. And after sending that file, it said the file type. So that I said you need to convert. Now you can see what I sent here was JPG. So the required file is PNG or WEBP, that's WebP. So I eventually figured that out. All right, I eventually figured that out, and it says here, thanks, now send me an emoji that correspond to the first. So I'm just gonna delete all this so we can continue with the tutorial. All right, so I'm giving you a hand-on tutorial on this. So now it says, thanks, now send me an emoji that correspond to your first sticker. Now the sticker has been accepted, the dimension and the format has been accepted. So now to send an emoji that best expressed my sticker, what you need to do is just click on the emoji icon, and I'm going to use this, then send. So it says, all right, now send me the sticker. The file should be in PNG, okay, format and transparent. So but let's just still do the, let's still go back, send as file. Okay, now it says thanks, now send me an emoji. Okay, asking the same question again, so let's just do that. Congratulations, sticker is, now congratulations, stickers in the set 1. To add another sticker, send me the next sticker. All right, no, I'm okay, I don't want another sticker. Now when you are done, simply send publish. Congratulations, stickers is, now it says congratulations, stickers in the set 1. All right, so you want to add more stickers, you can go ahead, but if it's just this, then when you're done, just simply send. So let's click on publish. So I'm clicking on publish now. Okay, now you can set an icon for your sticker set. All right, so icon, now I don't need that, just keep that. Please provide a short name. Okay, so let's give it a name again. For example, so let's just use anything random. Let's just use this. It's just the link, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, so it says kaboom, I've just published your sticker set. Here is the link. Okay, thank you very much. So if you click on that link now, you can see that the sticker is, all right, the sticker is, that's the link to my sticker. But I just want to, yeah, this is a sticker, so I just want to send the sticker directly, send sticker. So I can just delete this, and we have that as that. So basically design work. I should have it on my sticker list. Okay, just a moment. So I think it should be stickers, yeah. So you can see it now, it's on my stickers list, and I can just use it. So that's how you had a sticker. All right, that's how to create sticker pack Telegram. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hope you find this video helpful. Bye for now.